Introducing 400 horsepower trophy truck in Pakistan. Ideal for rugged desert terrains, where the dust meet the daring people. A long travel kit gives a 21-inch of wheel travel at front. A 4-link setup gives a staggering 30-inch of wheel travel at the rear. This makes it a super truck for high-speed desert runs. A truly remarkable suspension that is able to soak up and drive over 3-foot ruts and holes without slowing down. They used computer-guided machines for accuracy and precision. CAD-designed tube chassis, power-to-weight balance is geometrically calculated. Exceptional priority was devoted to reducing its weight and material selection while it was built. The wheels are forged aluminum, beadlock with off-road race legal KR3 BF Goodrich tires on them. This is a desired instrument for a man to dominate. And a new choice to invade off-road motorsports tournament series of Shalistan Desert, Thar Desert, and Kotpana Desert of Pakistan. It gives a massive advantage in corner-to-corner acceleration and driving precision. Ready to elevate your off-road experience? Take a step towards conquering trails with the trophy truck. Please call us today 923-000-173-866. Unleash the power. Own the adventure. Your off-road journey starts now. Rev up your passion with the Sun Off-Road Racing.